Spectrum Communications. To excel in providing innovative solutions to network operators in the Middle East and Africa. Spectrum Locations. How can Spectrum help mobile operating companies? The solution is using the Power Management System. The Power Management System helps control and manage wireless sensor network using new source power technology, including wind turbines, solar panels, fuel cells, while reducing fuel consumption of generators, operational costs, and carbon footprint. For more information, go to www.spectrummea.com.